Today we're doing the pre-wire for a large retail store audio system. As you can see, it just begun the framing stage. Anywhere that a speaker will be installed, we screw in one of these roughen pans. We're using self-tapping screws. As you can see, we have the roughen pans installed throughout.
8 screws.
They have a number of holes to facilitate positioning on the studs. We put the subwoofers close to the speakers. And now we've run the speaker cable, which we leave coiled in the service loops. We zip tie the speaker cable. Watch out for sharp edges that could damage the cable. We have a cable run in the conduit. This will go to the cash desk where the volume controls will be installed. And the cable terminates here at the back where a audio cabinet will be installed.